Hey Shorty Bays, it's Lou. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's been a minute since we've spoken. So currently I'm on my nearly last week of uni holidays. You know what that means? Time for a prep for back to uni. And I know we do this every time, but I think this is going to be the one that it sticks. We're going to stay on top of our classwork, we're going to stay on top of our lectures, all of that. So let's get into it, and we're starting off today with an iced coffee and a walk. Is there a better way to start the day? I don't even know. So let's go. Okay guys, so I just got here. I thought it was a sunny day, but it's actually really cloudy outside. So I think I'm gonna go get my coffee and then we'll see how the weather holds up. And I don't know if I want to walk here anymore. I might walk somewhere else instead. So we'll see. Hey guys, so first and foremost, this coffee is so delicious. I had my first sip and I was like, yep. It's so delicate. Oh my god, iced caramel latte on oat milk. Incredible. Anyways, I was gonna go for a walk, but it's starting to spit. So I think instead we're gonna hit up the chemist and then I'll just go to the gym this afternoon. Well, I need to help my dad out with something at 11 and it's like 10 o'clock now. So I go to the chemist and then come back home and then help him out with that, and then yeah. Anyways, let's go with this day. Okay guys, so we're back home. Went to the chemist. I feel like in every single vlog I'm going to the chemist. But anyways, so I got a package on my way home, but I'll give you guys a haul first. So first things first, I got my iron tablets because your girl's anemic. So I've been feeling so spacey without them lately. Thank God we have them again. And then I did some research about how to just sleep a little bit better, because I have trouble falling asleep and then I sleep really well. So apparently magnesium glycinate. There we go, magnesium glycinate. And then I searched up what the cleanest brands are. And this one, the ingredients is literally just magnesium from magnesium glycinate. So I'm gonna try these out and see how I feel. And because this is gonna be a week and a half long vlog, I will let you guys know how my sleep and if it changes. I got some heat protectant. This one's just Tony and Guy. I don't know how good it is, but some heat protectant is better than no heat protectant. Have I been out of focus that whole time? Oh my god. And then lastly, I just got some MCO Beauty more contour stick because I ran out. Literally, that's what's left. I've reached, that's all the way screwed up. I got some more nails. So if you guys didn't know, I'm a press on nails girly. So I'm going to show you guys the new nails I got. I got a combination of short and long because when I'm editing, I need short nails. When I'm uni, home, work, that's it. Long nails are. So we're gonna start with the short ones, and we're gonna start from, we'll start from simple to my most favorite. So this is the first pair. They're just black and white polka dots with a flower. I used to be such die-hard square nail girly, but now I'm almond only, almond stiletto, long almond, that's all I'll wear. This is the next pair. They're so stunning. I love them. I have to try and not show the shipping information, but these ones, again, stunning. Those are my short almond nails. I only got 3 pairs, and then I've got 4 pairs of long almond stiletto. Okay, so these are my least favorite, and then the next 3 are tied for my absolute favorite. So first I have these ones, a brown moment. And then I had my eye on these nails for so long because they have olives on them, and I love olives. Olive is my nickname. I love it so much. So look at them. Oh my god, I love them so much. I can't even describe it. And then These ones like moved around a little bit in their packaging, but I still love them. Holy crap. So I have like mouths on them and crosses, and like that says, that's got like New York written on it. Oh, I absolutely love it. And then these ones, this is probably like the coolest pair of nails I will ever own. Oh my god, like this one has like 2 little dice on it, got like 2 8 balls. Obsessed, literally obsessed. But I had something to eat and I put my boyfriend's hoodie on, hence I didn't even change my outfit, I just put a hoodie on. Anyways, I'm gonna chill for a bit because I feel really bloated, and then we're gonna go to the gym. See you guys soon. Hey guys, so I thought I would be continuing this vlog a lot earlier on in the week, but turns out I picked up some shifts at work and I wasn't able to vlog. So today I've got a few things to do to prep for uni, and then also just in general. I want to prep a big canvas today so I can have something to work on. I want to crochet as well, and then I have to go to Aldi today. I might start my study notes. I was planning to do it all on Monday, but now I'm like, I already have my classes out, which I thought they weren't going to be released for like another couple of days. But I just finished getting ready, done some simple makeup, but it is freezing cold today. It's so cold. Ugh, I hate it when it's like just like windy and cold. It's like, oh, I hate wind. It's the worst kind of weather. But oh, I also might do like a little closet clean out. I'm not really like getting rid of clothes, I'm just kind of like rearranging it for like my winter wardrobe for uni, so that I have all of my like, I don't know, winter clothes ready and available. Right now I'm just watching Crochet by Chris. I've already had a coffee and my breakfast, had a muffin. So nutritious. But yeah, that's my day. What am I gonna do right now? What time is it? It's 8:27 AM. So it's very early still, but I don't know, I'm just cold. I don't really feel like moving at all right now. That's my issue with winter. When I'm like cold, I don't want to move, and then I don't end up doing anything. So it's kind of redundant, but let me check my book, because you would have seen in the last clip, which was on Monday, I think, I was planning out my week. What's that? Nope. Okay, weekly goals, gym 3 times minimum. I haven't gone to the gym yet this week. I don't want to go today. Like, I have the time to go today, but I don't want to go. Make progress on my crochet, which I already have. Prep on canvas, which actually I might do that now, because that's pretty easy. I just gotta like file it and put a layer of, what's it called? Not Mod Podge. Gesso. Layer of gesso. Get stuff for uni, which I kind of have, and then snacks and meal prep. Great. What did I put for Thursday? Closet clean out, gym, grocery shop for uni. I don't think I'm going to do that yet, it's too early in the week. And Friday I have deep clean room, gym, Saturday gym. Sunday I put if classes are out, start pre-class work, but I can start it today. All I know is I really don't want to go to the gym, but I'll see how I feel later. Yeah, alright, let's prep a canvas. And let me tell you, yesterday, so I got like basically nothing done all day, which is not very good, but today's gonna be different. It's later. I had to sleep in today, so I'm in a better mood. I need to go to the chemist, and then I need to go to Spotlight and get some more yarn for my crochet sweater that I'm making, and then come home, shower, study, crochet, go for a walk. That's what I want to do today, okay? So let's just try and get that done. But I have faith in myself today. I'm confident in myself today. I can do this. So let's fucking go.